Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite detox juice. It is a variation of an ABC juice. A stands for apple, B stands for beet, C stands for carrot. And I also put some extra ingredient, whatever I have in the refrigerator. So I already cut my vegetable and fruit into smaller pieces, and you can see that this is the equal amount of red beet, apple, and carrot, just 1:1 ratio. I like red beet because of the strong earthy flavor. However, if you're not very keen on earthy flavor, I recommend you using the golden beet. And then apple, I have mix of green and red. And then as both extra ingredient, I am using some celery, a cucumber, and I love citrus drink, so I'm putting some lemon. Actually, this is lime and grapefruit. But it's all about whatever you have it and you enjoy it, you add it on. So sometimes I put spinach, sometimes I put cilantro, sometimes I put ginger, but I don't have it today, so this is gonna be today's juice for me. So let's make it. I'm making a bigger batch than usual, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend it twice and then mix it together. And then first, I have all my ABC inside of my blender. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 200 milliliters of water to just get it started. I think I need a little bit more, 400. Close it, and I'm gonna first start with food processor. Okay, seems like I might be able to add the rest of it, so I'm gonna actually add it all. Let's see how it goes. So my blender is not very powerful, so it's okay. So it's gonna take a little bit while, at least like 3 minutes or even longer. And then might require a little bit more water as well. But if you have very powerful blender like Ninja, some other fancy blender, it might just take a fraction of time for you to actually like make it run. It's been 4 minutes, it's done. Let me show you the consistency of my juice. Mine is almost like a very thick vegetable puree. I like as it is. However, if you want to have a smoother juice, you can strain it, and that's gonna be your choice. After I make a batch of my ABC juice, what I like to do is I like to put it in a glass jar and then keep it tight with a lid and then refrigerate it and then drink it as needed. The best time to drink ABC juice is between meal or early in the morning in an empty stomach. Thank you very much for watching. Try making it and then let me know what you think, and then what other vegetable you actually put or fruit you put it as an extra ingredient. Until next time, bye.